guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I thought I would do a jigsaw puzzle haul because I've recently got back into doing jigsaw puzzles. This isn't all of them, this is just my new ones that I'm still in the cellophane. So first off we have this 500 piece one and it's just really cute. It's called African Stampede. And I just love it. The colours in the sky and all the animals, it's just very vibrant and very cute. Then we have this one. It's called Christmas Tree Sale, and this is perfect for Christmas time, obviously, or just doing whenever you feel like doing a cute little jigsaw puzzle. Then we have this one, and it's Le Mont Saint Michael in France. Very cute. Sorry if I have butchered up the title of that one. My French is terrible, unfortunately, but yeah, this one's still very beautiful. It's got these really cute sheep in it, and the whole picture in general is just stunning. Then we have this one with a panda on it, and I generally do love pandas. They are adorable little creatures. In fact, I love a lot of animals, so this one is just one of the cute ones that I tend to have. Then last of the 500 piece puzzles, we have this one with giraffes on it. Again, it's really cute. I just love how adorable the giraffe is on this. So yeah, that's the 500 pieces. Then we have this one, which is like my first 1,000 piece one, and it's called Spitfire Battle. And this is just a nice way to remember those who are no longer with us, so it's a good remembrance for that. And plus the Spitfire is one of my favourite planes of all times. Then again we have this really nice one. Again, it's another little bit Christmassy. It's called Snowdrop Cottage, and it's just so beautiful. And I love how detailed this one is. There's just so much detail in this one. It really is beautiful. Then we have this one. Sorry about that. I still have a little bit of a cough from when I had my cold. And this one again is super duper cute. It's called It's Tea Time, and it really is so pretty. I just love the detailing in this one. Again, it really is a pretty piece. And last of all but not least, we have this one, and it's called In Remembrance. Again, it's another plane. I do believe that one is the Lancaster bomber. So again, this is another great way to remember those who are no longer here with us. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.